Hook midnight to 0:15. 50% of AI data centers have been cancelled or delayed. Shocking, right? Makes you wonder what's next. AI is changing fast. Stay ahead with us. We've got the inside scoop on the latest AI tools that will blow your mind. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Anthropic just delayed their AI model. Security concerns are real. But that's not stopping innovation. New AI tools are emerging to help you work smarter, not harder. We've got 7 hidden gems to boost your productivity and take your business to the next level. From content creation to customer support, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Notion 1 to 230. Notion is an all-in-one workspace with notes, tasks, and databases. The most impressive feature? Customizable templates. Imagine you need to organize a project. Instead of spending 5 hours, Notion does it in 10 minutes. It's free, or just $10 a month. Perfect for entrepreneurs who need to stay organized and focused on growth. Notion is a game changer for any business owner. Try it out today. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is AI-powered content generation with 50+ templates to get you started. The most impressive feature? Automated content creation. Imagine you need to write a blog post. Instead of spending 2 hours, Jasper does it in 10 minutes. It's just $29 a month. Perfect for marketers who need to create engaging content fast and efficiently. Jasper is a must-have for any content creator. Give it a try. Claude 4 to 5:30. Claude is conversational AI for customer support and sales. The most impressive feature? Personalized chatbot responses. Imagine you need to respond to 100 customer inquiries. Instead of spending 5 hours, Claude does it in 30 minutes. It's free to try. Perfect for businesses who need to provide 24/7 support and want to boost sales. Claude is a revolutionary tool that will change the way you interact with your customers. Sign up for a free trial. Chat 5:30 to 6:30. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot for general knowledge and questions. The most impressive feature? Accurate and instant responses. Imagine you need to research a topic. Instead of spending 2 hours, ChatGPT does it in 2 minutes. It's completely free. Perfect for anyone who needs to learn something new fast and easily. ChatGPT is a powerful tool that will change the way you learn and interact with information. Give it a try today. Canva 6:30 to 7:30. Canva is graphic design and visual content creation with 50K plus templates to get you started. The most impressive feature? Drag and drop design tools. Imagine you need to create a social media post. Instead of spending 1 hour, Canva does it in 10 minutes. It's free, or just $12.95 a month. Perfect for small businesses who need to create engaging visuals fast and easily. Canva is a must-have for any business owner who wants to stand out on social media. Try it out today. Zapier 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Zapier automates repetitive tasks with 5,000 plus app integrations. The most impressive feature? Customizable workflows. Imagine you need to automate 10 tasks. Instead of spending 5 hours, Zapier does it in 10 minutes. It's just $19.99 a month. Perfect for entrepreneurs who need to save time and focus on growth. Zapier is a game changer for any business owner. Try it out today. And Gamma, AI-powered video editing, is just $99 a month. Perfect for creators who need to produce high-quality videos fast and efficiently. Outro 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Which tool surprised you most? Comment below. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews. Comment link below and I'll send you all affiliate links for free. Thanks for watching.